This is the year 2026 where women have been given all the opportunities they ask for, they demand for. Women's rights is the most important thing and the most discussed thing right now. And on the other side, when you see that women are growing, they're becoming the leaders, they're becoming the lawyers, they're becoming doctors, engineers and pilots and everything. They have the freedom to do anything they demand for, they ask. Even when you talk about Pakistan, I have seen the records which are improving that women in Pakistan are getting more opportunities than men, more job opportunities than men, more scholarships and everything. But despite one country in the world, that is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is still living in ancient eras. Like, how can they do that to their women? Women have their rights, but they are also, the human rights. That is the basic thing. Education is the basic thing a person can have. And they are also stealing that from their women, their girls. They cannot get the educational opportunities. They cannot get the job opportunities. They cannot move out of their country in any case. They are just like living in the prisons. And they claim that they're the Islamic country, but I don't know how can they forget the point that Islam has given respect to women. You have to respect your women. You have to respect your girls, because the thing they are doing, it comes in the discrimination. They are doing the gender discrimination. They are spreading the hatred towards the women. They are spreading the unacceptance of women, even in this era. This is very shocking for me. So I have just seen a video and I was so shocked enough, and I thought that I should make a vlog on this, that Afghanistan should at least allow their women to get the educational rights. They cannot do that to their women. The world is watching them. The world is talking about this. This is really unacceptable. Being a woman, being a girl, I can realize what actually they are facing living there in Afghanistan. So it is really unacceptable, and I think every person should raise their voice that the women living there have equal rights than any women living in any country anywhere in the world, because they are women, they're respectful, and you should give them all the rights they demand for.